What is the crack, folks? So today I am driving from Carrick and Shannon to Limerick. It is St. Paddy's Day, so it's going to be an interesting drive. Don't know if there's going to be road blockages and stuff. Hopefully we see a few parades on the way. Guys, if you do like the content I'm putting out, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell for further notifications. As I always say, guys, let's do this. Right guys, so you guys are going to come with me on this trip, but the bad news is I need to be on my own when I'm driving. I just want to listen to Joe Rogan, to be honest with you, so you guys are going to have to travel in the boot. I might get you out of the boot in a few minutes, you never know. All right then, come on, you can come with me, join me for the journey. So it's St. Patrick's Day, and I'm telling you what, it's awful weather. I feel sorry for anyone who's marching in the parade today. They're literally going to get absolutely soaking wet. Hopefully it clears up. Let's see how it is on the way to Limerick. We might catch a few parades on the way, so let's hit the road. So as I'm driving to Limerick, I was just thinking, leaving Carrick and Shannon and the area, it's been a strange kind of visit so far, in the sense that, you know, the last time I was here, my mum was here and I was here for a funeral then, and to kind of come back to this area and not coming to see her, I found quite strange and quite hard. And yeah, so, you know, I don't know if any of you can identify any of you watching this video that have moved away from your home area or to another country and have basically kind of experienced that. Drop a comment in the comments below, you know, if you identify with that. It's kind of strange. It kind of feels like you've lost kind of place to come to when you come kind of home to your area. I mean, my dad's still here, but he's not well at the moment, and I couldn't go and stay or visit him. So yeah, and it's just strange, like, and when you come home to your home area, and you know, a lot of things have changed. I found that the town is kind of the lockdown. The lockdown has certainly affected Carrick, I think, in the sense that it hasn't bounced back, I think, as good as Tenerife. I'm sure it's very, very busy at the weekend, but I found it very, very, very quiet during the week, and a lot of places weren't open. They only open at the weekend, so I don't know if you guys identify with that. Anyone who's from Ireland, if they felt it hasn't bounced back quite yet fully from pre-COVID times. Yeah, that's my little rant, just something I was thinking about while I'm driving. And yeah, let's continue on in this glorious weather. Unfortunately, I haven't been blessed, or it's not a blessed St. Patrick's Day here in Ireland today. It's absolutely teeming down. Take a look at this. coming into Dunmore, and it looks like, yeah, we are stuck behind the parade. So we'll be driving through possibly the middle of the parade in Dunmore. Yeah, nice little town. I have many memories of, I went to college in Galway, of driving up, and I remember actually driving up and down here on a Honda H100. I don't know if you guys remember a Honda H100, a motorcycle, and it would be Baltic, and I'd have all sorts of gloves and jackets and everything, just trying to keep myself warm, and I'd be driving up and down to college, and I would literally be frozen by the time I got to Galway, or by the time I got home. But yeah, fun days. Seems like a million years ago. But yeah, I'd always drive through this town on the way from my hometown Carrick, Boyle area, to Galway City, where I went to college, studied art and design. So yeah, we're stuck behind this parade at the moment. Let's see how long it takes. Talk to you in a few minutes. So there we go, Dunmore getting ready for their parade. Let's carry on. I think next town is Tuam. Alright folks, so we're going to take a quick pit stop in Tuam, in a service station here. Lee, one of your favourite restaurants, Supermax. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat in Supermax. I'm going to get a coffee or something, and let's have a look inside. And I think we're about an hour and 20 minutes or something like that from Limerick, and I'm staying in the Maldron Hotel. So anyways, let's go and grab an old pit stop. Alright folks, so I am in Supermax. Lee, the MacMaster, loves this place, but I am here. I enjoyed the veggie burger I had the last time I was here, so I've dropped in Supermax here in Tuam, and it's really cool. They're doing face painting here. They've got green balloons. The guys have got shamrocks and everything painted on themselves. Real feel of St. Patrick's Day, and really friendly staff. I've ordered, I'm not a food reviewer person, but I've ordered an old veggie burger. I'll give you a quick look at it. Looks alright. That's it there. I'll let you know what it tastes like. And yeah, it's nice driving through Ireland on St. Paddy's Day and kind of seeing the stuff going on, the different things going around the place, and yeah, to catch part of a parade in Dunmore. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this and then hit the road back to Limerick, and I'll let you know in a minute what I think of this veggie burger. For me, that's absolutely spot on. Really, really tasty. Lettuce, tomatoes, everything fresh. The bun tastes fresh. Lee, I don't know what you were complaining about. Obviously, there's lots of different Supermax, and this is spot on. I'm really enjoying the burger. Great flavour, and I'm gonna eat it now and hit the road. Alright folks, so just ate that burger and it was absolutely lovely. Really enjoyed it. I'll definitely come back and get another one of them. Spot on. So good job Supermax. Your veggie burger is really good. For the crack, right, so I actually sent Lee a picture of me eating well, a picture of the burger and Supermax. I'll give you a look at it. Yeah, because I know he's slated Supermax massively. So anyways, I've got to keep going because I've got to get to Limerick, and I'm hopefully I don't get caught in the middle of the parade in Limerick, and onwards to the Maldron Hotel. Talking a little while, guys. nice food. Lee just messaged me back and he said, "It doesn't look as bad as what we ate." So yeah. Lee, next time you're here, you're gonna have to redeem yourself in Supermax, I think. Right, let's carry on to Limerick. Well, that's some serious rain as we're coming into Limerick. So finally in Limerick at the Malden Hotel. Let's go in and see if I can check in, and I'll show you the room here, yeah? So talk to you in a few minutes. Okay, we're all checked in and I'm gonna hit the lift. I'm gonna head up to the room and give you a look at the room, and I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Okay, talk to you in a minute. Okay, let's have a look around the room. Looks alright, usual stuff. Kettle, your milks, your coffees, 2 seats, window with a bit of light. Bedroom looks alright. And let's have a look at the bathroom. You got your wardrobes here. Not a lot in them. An iron and a board, spot on. And your towels, all your bits and bobs, your shampoo, shower and bath. And there you go. There is the room, standard room here in the Malden Hotel. Guys, if you do like the content I'm putting out, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell for other notifications, and appreciate you watching the vlog. I'm now in Limerick. Go and give my sister a shout and see what they want to do for the day. And guys, have a beautiful evening, and remember, keep it country, and if you get it, take it twice.